Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be playing Slither.io, which is this really fun game which I played in my last video, so if you haven't already seen that video then go check it out. It's my last video. And yeah, so I really like this game, and basically it's where you have to be a worm or a snake, I'm not sure which one it is, and kind of get to be the best I guess, and then at the end I might do some Slix.io if I want to, if I get sick of dying. So yeah, let's actually build a slither. So this is my one currently because I play it quite a lot, but I want to reset it for the video and make a new one. So what should I do? I'll be right back. So this is the one that I created, so I'm just going to save this one. I just randomly made it, and my name is The Best, but I think I'm going to change it to D Llama. Oh, not an ad. Okay, so I started off looking beautiful as ever. And I want to try kill someone on the oh, that looks like someone on the leaderboard. I want to try kill someone on the leaderboard. So my tip is just to stay close to big people, big snakes or worms or whatever you call them. And then when they die, just collect their, you know, stuff. Oh, that's a lucky snake or worm. I don't know. I think it's worms, but I'm not sure. So, whoa, I just went right through that snake. Is that normal? Oh my god, this one's trapped a really big one. Oh, what's it called? Is it called? Oh my gosh. Surely this one's like the one. Oh, okay, I died. Well, what a great start to this video. So, I want to try find that one again. That was really big. I think it was called Deathstalks because it had something in capitals. I'll go back and when I make the video properly and check, but I just killed that. Oh my god. Haha, I'm the master. Don't try and mess with me because I'm gonna win. Jeez, I'm actually really big really fast. I hate it when you like, oh, not tiny ones, they're the most annoying. I hate it when you like, kill some and then like other snakes try and eat it and eat your one. It's just like not fair, and it's just like, why are you bothering me? Hi Isabella, would you like to be killed? Well, I'm sure you. Look, I shaped like half a heart. Wow. I am pretty upset that I died though because I was really big and I killed two snakes in a row. But oh, okay, I'm dead. But oh well, at least it wasn't that big. Um, let's get right back into it. Okay, so I like collecting these little things, but they just won't do. Oh, I hate those little happy ones. They're just screw you. In fact, I'm gonna kill you. Ha 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 ha. Why didn't I get it? I should have. Jeez, why can't I even get... Oh, okay, it killed me. Well, I'm still the best. I like to try get to the middle. As you can see here in this little map, it shows where you are and stuff, so I want to try and get more to the middle. Yeah. Who are you, Michaela? Michaela? Oh, that's a name. Give me that. Give me your beautiful feed. Give me food. Okay, so now I'm quite big. My length is 546. Hey, he looked like me before. Win. Wow. You know what? You're not a winner. I am a winner. I almost died then. But oh well. Find peace in Jesus. Wow. You sound nice. Nervous and oh my god, that one's not even on the leaderboard. That just shows that. Oh, give me that. Oh my god, give me all of that. I don't want to die right now. I'd be so upset if I died right now. I'm huge. I don't want to die so bad. Look, everyone's dying right now. More for me. Hey, don't you dare try and trap me. Bitch, get out of my way. Okay. All these big worms trying to snatch my weave. Weave snatches. Okay. Um, Oh, stupid old future worm and little happy face worm. I want to get away from all these worms because they're just scaring me. I'm getting actually scared. Thank you for your loot. Oh, find me, love me. Wow. Lovely name there. Great English. I hate you. I hate you. Okay. So far so good. No snakes to be found. I think after this round I'm probably gonna go play Splixio because yeah, it's fun. If you're wondering why I don't play Agario, it's because I just don't find that I'm just like, what's the point in that? I mean, it's just like real weird. And oh, I had some lag there. Oh my gosh. What the? Oh man. Oh my god, that is huge. If that's, let's see, where's the leaderboard? Mandy Dip. Oh my god, that's coming in last place on the leaderboard, and that one was huge. So I don't even know what number one would be like. Okay, I said that was my last round, but I was totally lying. Officially, this is my last round. Hopefully, if this worm kills me, I'm gonna be so. Haha, that's what you get for messing with me. Okay, so I'm like, as you can tell, the master at this game. I'm just like master OV or of, or whatever you call it. I like his videos. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I am doing so well, and I am 396, so that is pretty good. Kill yourself, or I can just kill you. That will be even faster. I want that thing. Give it to me. I want all the moving things. They make you fast. Oh, you're gonna be dead in a minute. I can smell teeth. Yep, told you someone was gonna die. Okay, so I am officially playing Splixio, and oh my god, there's teams? For real? I didn't even know that. Share this URL. Oh, you have to. Oh, I wish they had like an offline one thing. Oh, I didn't want a teammate anyway. I can do this all on my own. So my name is Peacemaker, and I'm gonna be so. Oh, this color. I like it, but I don't really like it because I prefer like a nice dark blue. Hey, you think you're better than me, but you're. Oh. Give me my land, excuse me. Haha, killed you. And I'm gonna kill you as well. And I got some land. And I'm gonna kill you as well. Jeez, I'm on a killing streak right now. Okay. So let's claim a whole big amount of land. I am like so. I'm gonna be up there on the leaderboard. I'm gonna see my name and oh wow, someone killed me. Well, whoever did that, let's see. Wait for the name. Wait, Super Bananas, you are so dumb, and I'm gonna be looking for you. I'm gonna look for that Super Bananas. Okay. Join. No, not the stupid ad. So I'm back at it again with my beautiful little blue color, baby blue. I'm not gonna take as much risks this time because I don't. That was so close. I was so scared. Wait, that's me. Oh crap. Oh wait. Oh my god, what did I got so tangled up for a minute. I scared myself. Jeez. So I am rank 38 out of 77, so there are quite a lot of people playing. Usually there's about 56 or something. So 77 is pretty good. I'm just gonna take a huge risk and just go up a lot unless I see someone. And oh, there's people up there. Oh shit. I think someone's coming. Oh, phew. That was really close. I want to try cover my whole screen with blue. That will look so cool. I should take some screenshots. In fact, I will. Oh my god. Haha, got you. Wait, why didn't this go? Why didn't that go altogether? Well, that's just sad. Okay, this should do it. Or not. Excuse me, Splits.io, but I'm not really appreciating what you're doing to me here. Okay. Oh my god, what the heck is wrong with this game? Oh, okay. 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 I'm going to my friend's birthday party tomorrow and I'm really excited. Because it's supposed to be really fun. Supposed to be. I say that like, oh, crap. Lucky I got that. Oh no, I'm dead. I didn't get to cover my screen. Oh well. You know what? Just to top this off, I'm just gonna quickly go into Movie Star Planet because I haven't been into my account in ages again because I literally have gone off Movie Star Planet so much. It has just gotten so boring to me, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm about to log in. Hurry up. Is there a new theme? Oh my god, of course there is. I've been like, oh, and I was recording. Wow, and I look like a slut. Nah, I just look really weird. Same people on, of course, Pixie stuff, but yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, I hate that sound. Oh, only one message and I've been gone for like so long. Jeez, I must be so popular. Not. Okay, let's see. Message. Hi YouTube. Oh, that was the last time I was recording. Okay, so let's check out this new theme. I wonder how many themes have gone past. I think only one, but I'm not sure. I could be wrong. Dark Waters. Oh, nice. If you didn't know, I'm a mermaid, guys. Like, in real life, I'm not joking. It's a mermaid theme. Oh my god, I need this because I am a mermaid in real life. And like, oh, it's way too expensive. Well, I don't really need it anyway. I've got them in real life. And don't tell me that I don't because I do. I am a mermaid. Nah, but for real. I like to pretend I am because I've got a swimming pool. So, yeah. Ugh. Why are all these people making fun of mermaids? Mermaids don't have those weird ears. I'm a mermaid, and I look perfectly fine. Okay. Oh, I didn't see this theme. Oh my god, this one looks so cute. Oh my god, they should have called it Cherry Crush or something, but instead they call it Cherry on Top. I guess it's kind of cute, but oh well. You know, I don't really care about my gems anymore, so I'll just buy some stuff, I guess. Oh my god, yes, that is so cute, but I don't want to buy it because I'll only have $6 left. So, oh, what's that one called again? Like golden something? Okay, terrific. Cringe. Okay. Maybe Star Planet, I really hate you. I'm really sorry, but I do. I'm just being completely honest though. No, I don't actually really hate you. I like it, but it's just, oh yeah, I've seen that one. Okay, okay. Now let me buy something. I want to buy this, I think. I want to buy it in maybe like a dark blue, like that. That'd be cute. But then if I had black, it would like match everything. And white, yeah, white. Wait, I could do the aestheticness color, but then at the same time I don't want to, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to do the white because white always goes with everything, so yeah. And I look really weird. Okay, let's just be honest, I do, but no one cares, nobody cares. Let's just get some here. That rhymed. I didn't mean it to rhyme, but it did. But oh well. Okay, now let's change my outfit. Is there any new makeup? I want to check that out. Oh my god, I have to end the video. I have to end the video. I'm sorry, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I don't care how many likes and subscribers I get. I just like making these videos, so thank you. No hate, please. Okay. I'm just going to wear some random hair. I like that. That's cute. That's real cute. And change my t-shirt. But honestly, I have to go, so okay. See y'all later. Bye.